Hi, hello students. Welcome to SPR Edutech. Here we're gonna see about facial recognition technology. Recent time in news, Facebook has shutting down this facial recognition technology, and NITI Aayog also had given approval for studying this facial recognition technology. So we're gonna see in this video of two point of view, which means regarding the Facebook, we're gonna see other thing is Indian government and Indian point of view. So two sections we're gonna see in this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe so that we can make much more videos in English and it can help many students. Okay friends, now let us go into recent time in news. We had seen Facebook had changed this name into Meta platform, which means the Facebook WhatsApp that remains the same, the name will not be changed, but the parental company name will be Meta, which means under the Meta these companies are subsections which has been working. Here Facebook face recognition technology, which has been introduced in Facebook in the year 2010, and also it is used for identifying the person's pictures and uploaded, and also suggesting tags to them, and also it also provides such as photos and videos. It recognizes the persons. If some other persons uploads his photo or anything, it just recognizes and informs to him, which means automatic notification will be provided that some other person has uploaded a photo of ours. Okay, what happens? Nothing gonna happen if Facebook gonna do such thing. If Facebook is shutting down, just one third of Facebook users nowadays, present day generation, one third of Facebook users are using this technology, and more than 100 crore people are using this face recognition system. Now the data will be deleted, which means come not complete data, just this face recognition data will be deleted, and also there will not be any automatic recognition of the data which is been uploaded, which means photo and any identification, video identification will not be there. And next, why is Facebook is doing such thing all of a sudden? Nothing more, there are many speculations and many are saying that it may be due to some data leakage or such thing, but actually there is in US Federal Investigation Agency, there are many lawsuits going against the Facebook, and there are many issues related to this privacy and such issues. And also facial recognition technology has a law, and there is no any proper law enforcement for the maintaining or controlling or protecting the privacy of the people, which means there is no any proper law enforcement for this FRT, which means facial recognition technology. Also, which is the algorithm that Facebook using is deep face algorithm, is the algorithm that Facebook is using for the technology that it has been using. Now we shall see into Indian point of view. In Indian point of view, recently NITI Aayog had given for approval to study face recognition technology for the Delhi based NPO, which means non-profit organization, Vidhi Center for Legal Policy. And what is FRT? FRT means nothing that as it is a biometric technology which identifies, verifies and authenticates persons for facial features, which means it also combines software and picture camera and software, both software algorithm both coordinate and to identify the person, and also it can also identify the persons in a crowd, and also it is being highly used in the phone unlock systems. Now let us look into how it works. Here you see the first image. Here there are many dots connecting the person's faces, which means for the nose it is connecting, eyes it's connecting. So these are the unique spots that are present in our face. So this takes a photo and analyze the unique spots and position, shape, size, color of the person, and also it also identify and save the data in the database. After saving, it also compares, which means it has a millions of database in it. In this technology there are a database of people's pictures. It compares everything and identify which is a perfect match to it and identifies the person. This is the way FRT works. Now we shall see what is the present status of FRT in India. Here there is no law controlling or protecting or something guiding or guidelines for this technology, but it is being experimental stages in several stages, several places it is being implemented, and mostly Telangana police are using this technology from 2018 for crime and other, which means technically saying that police works and identifying the dead bodies, such things they have been using. Civil Aviation Ministry has introduced Digiyatra. In this Digiyatra, a person enters to the airport to recognize his face, which means recognition of the persons entering the airport. It has been used part of Digiyatra system. And Ministry of Copper, sorry, it's a mistake. Ministry of Commerce and industry has introduced a mobile app called Reunite. In this mobile app, they are tracing the missing persons and abandoned children, reuniting them. In part of it, they are using FRT to help it. And also NCRB, National Crime Records Bureau, has been using FRT for crimes and everything that had been mentioned to trace the criminals. And also you can see if in a railway station a bunch of people are there, if there is a terrorist activity, you can just take a picture or scan through the video and recognize the person one who is a criminal and easily trace out him and catch him. Such technologies can be used for the positive purpose also. European Union has imposed 5 years ban on FRT as there is no proper control methodology or medium for it. Next, what are the pros of this FRT technology? You can see it can be identify the criminals, railway stations they can be used, airport entries they can be used. In companies nowadays, easily this fingerprint sensor can be through fingers. There is a possibility of spread of coronavirus, and also there is here everybody touches the biometric. So facial recognition technology can make it easy without touching, which means without touching we can just recognize and take the attendance. So in companies also they can use it as attendance. And also students authentication mechanism, lost peoples can be traced out easily. The protest, few peoples are be continuously responsible for certain protest. We can easily identify such persons and can be can be traced out. Okay, next, controlling of the crime and maintaining law and order, this can be used as a high stake. And here we can see border control mechanism and counter terrorism, this is spelling mistake, counter terrorism methodology, we can use it for such things. And also government policy schemes and facilitating target people, only a certain section of people must be targeted for that. It can be, for example, PDS, now they are using finger biometric technology, and also they can introduce facial recognition technology also in future. Next, what are the negatives? You can see here recent times major issues like everybody is wearing mask. In group recognition person, most of the person wearing mask means it will be difficult. And also masks, criminals can use masks to tricking the FRT technology. And also here poor lighting and positioning of the camera can lead to the mismatch. Privacy, there is no law to guide, means there is a issues of privacy also, because if a huge amount of data maintained by a private company can be leaked, and it can be create a hurdle to the privacy of the person. And also here law and legislation, there is no proper mechanism, mistaken identity can be possible, which means funnily speaking, we can see here if you are going into sunlight from the morning, you will be clear, you'll be white, and when you come in the evening, if you are completely roaming in the sunlight, then you will be tanned and you will be black, then it cannot identify you, the entry will be denied. So such things can be funnily happen. Hope you feel this information is useful. Okay friends, thanks for watching SPR Edutech English. For more updates in English and subjects for competitive exam preparation, kindly like, share and subscribe. Also share with your friends so that we can make much more videos that helps the people. Thank you. Kindly like, share and subscribe. This is me, SPR, signing off. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.